Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mango mousse cake at home. First, let's prepare the base. You can use a 9-inch sponge cake or a simple cookie crust. Press it firmly into your springform pan, ensuring it's lined with parchment paper. This step is crucial for a clean release later. Once your base is ready, pop it into the refrigerator to chill for at least 30 minutes while you prepare the mousse. Now for the star of the show, the mango mousse. Start by pureeing 2 large, ripe mangoes until they are perfectly smooth. Next, bloom 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin in 1/4 cup of cold water for about 5 minutes. Gently warm the gelatin to dissolve it, then stir it into your mango puree. Finally, carefully fold in 1 1/2 cups of freshly whipped cream to achieve that light, airy texture. With your mousse ready, it's time to assemble. Carefully pour the mango mousse mixture over your chilled cake base in the springform pan. Use a spatula to smooth the top for an even finish. Gently tap the pan a few times on your counter to release any trapped air bubbles. Then, place the cake back into the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow it to set completely. Your beautiful mango mousse cake is almost ready. Once fully set, carefully remove it from the springform pan. Now for the fun part, decoration. Garnish with fresh mango slices, a few mint leaves, or even a sprinkle of toasted coconut. For clean slices, use a warm, sharp knife. Remember to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade mango mousse cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.